Hello, the topic today is managing tasks with your contacts. So Autodeals is a full contact task management system and has a full scheduling system called the Workplan that enables sales folks or any staff in your organization to be able to manage all of the tasks that take place. So in this case, let's go to this particular customer record. And if I want to schedule a call for tomorrow, a task for a call, I could choose the call task type, give it a time, say I want to be messaged to let me know to do it, and call and schedule an appointment. And I can assign it to myself, and I'm not going to make this reoccurring, but I'm just going to schedule a call there. And so in this case, I've scheduled a task. It's up on the work plan now, and I can follow the transactions, call and schedule an appointment. I have some others there that I was also testing with. So let me just go back to Fred here. Now, you notice it's not defaulting to my name, so there's no salesperson assigned to this particular contact. So let me assign one. And now when I go down here, it'll automatically put the help desk person on this. Now, not only can we assign single tasks that we can then manage, complete and attempt and cancel, I can also schedule tasks that are recurring. So if I wanted to call this customer for a referral every 90 days, and I wanted to be alerted to it, I would merely just, of course, I've automatically assigned to it recurring yes, and now the frequency is going to be, say, quarterly, so every 90 days. So now I've scheduled a call. Let's go ahead and post it. And now there's a transaction up there that occurs recurring, and it happens basically every 90 days. This is going to remind me. All I'm going to have to do is go to my work plan and look for the scheduled tasks that are on my list to do, and I'll be able to know exactly what needs to be done. Now this is the manual process for task management. We also have workflow that will automatically create tasks and help you to schedule them. And then you also have some handy ways of completing them and attempting them and canceling them. So for instance, in this place, let's say I called to schedule an appointment and I attempted it. When I clicked attempted once, it has automatically placed a note that I attempted it, but it's also repopulated this area to should I schedule another attempt. And if I want to say yes, I can just choose another date. Everything else is already populated, and I just scheduled another attempt with roughly 2 clicks. So there's additional menu items where you can track and see what tasks you have and what are they for your location, and you have your work plan, of course, as I mentioned before. So all those work together to help you to task manage thousands upon thousands of customer relationships. And if you're keeping simple notes as part of those calls and those activities, you're going to be able to keep up with the relationship of all these customers just by managing these tasks effectively. Thank you so much.